Key points based on real data, 2025 to 2026. The Robotaxi explosion. Rather than just prototypes, companies like Waymo surpassed 450,000 weekly trips in late 2025, accumulating over 260 million autonomous-driven miles. Real-world data shows an 85% drop in injury-causing crashes and a massive reduction in severe accidents compared to human drivers. Drones and delivery bots. The autonomous delivery market is projected to exceed $4.2 billion by 2030. This ranges from drones designed to drop off medical supplies or packages in under 30 minutes to small rolling sidewalk robots optimized by computer vision to navigate around pedestrians without human intervention. Algorithmic streets and smart grids. AI isn't just driving the vehicles, it's managing the infrastructure. Predictive AI systems are currently being deployed to adjust traffic light cycles in real time, successfully reducing urban congestion by up to 30% and lowering carbon emissions. The human factor, the documentary angle. A compelling narrative thread is analyzing the evolution of daily logistics. Today, AI acts as an invisible dispatcher, assigning hyper-optimized routes to e-bike delivery riders, couriers, and rideshare drivers. The documentary can explore the upcoming tipping point. Will AI remain a tool to optimize human logistics, or make the definitive leap toward 100% automated freight and passenger fleets? We are Horizon Zero. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching.